Hello, my friends. I'm talking about the soil degradation. Soil degradation is one of the biggest problems facing agriculture throughout the world. Deforestation, intensive cultivation of fragile lands, overgrazing, and poor management of soil and water reduce the productive capacity of soils and place impediments to increase production of food, feed, and power. It differs from the erosive degradation. For example, are water, wind, and gravity. Fat degradation of non-erosive type, which includes chemical degradation, nutrient deficiency, toxicities, salinity, etc. Physical, decomposition, and biological loss of material, organic diseases, weeds, etc. The different forms of land degradation, such as erosion and pollution, they could deprive the world of a third of arable land by the end of this century. Economic and social, land value will increase because this is a finite resource and population is growing. Many of the bad practices to the ground are made in the field of agriculture, which is why focusing on this much of the effort to prevent such as degradation. Currently, the introduction of conservation agriculture techniques is a more friendly alternative environment. In this note, emphasis is given to the wind and water degradation, but you should not think that erosion problems of gravity, landslide, mud, etc., and desertification, which is also a complex process of degradation, limited to ecosystems and arid and semi-arid, is less important. Soil conservation involves first educate the population to eradicate the burning of stubble or agricultural waste. These wastes are required to maintain soil fertility and should be integrated into the same organic matter. One of the major problems facing the vast majority of farmers of the country is low soil fertility and therefore low yields of crops. These low levels of fertility are largely a result of poor management practices that farmers apply to the soil, such as burning and overgrazing, especially when planted on a sloping ground, which is where a greatest wasting or loss of soil and nutrients occurs, thus lowering fertility and productivity of the same. To maintain fertile and productive the floor is necessary to apply management practice or conservation, which also they help all moisture longer. Agriculture jumped when they were discovered and applied chemical fertilizers, but today the problem of increasing salinity of the soil caused by excessive fertilizer consumption. A previous analysis in specialized laboratories, physical and chemical soil characteristics of each crop function allows the application of the appropriate fertilizers in optimal amounts, avoiding excess. The organic farming movement has made progress in finding and disseminating technologies that counteract the negative consequence on the floor of the green revolution and agrochemicals. Thank you, my friends, for look at my video.